Welcome to the giveaway selection video for these small 3-inch style wrenches. There are 3 here because the selections will be for Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube. The Instagram one I'll announce soon after the video is posted. Same with the Patreon one, and the YouTube one will be delivered right now. But first, just a quick announcement. I will be at Lindale, Texas, USA on November 17th, 2018 for the Good of the Land Festival. I will be giving a little talk on restorations and what I do and how I got there, along with giving away some wrenches that I will bring with me down to Texas. I will be there with Justin from the Good of the Land, who's putting on the actual entire festival, as well as A-Bomb 79 and Essential Craftsman, and a huge amount of other YouTubers will be there. So if you happen to be by the area, please come and say hi. I'd love to talk to you and to touch you. So the selection will be chosen as per usual from the random comment picker website. We have just under 3,300 unique entries. So let's see who the winner is. So it looks like the winner is Monkey Art 8, obviously. If you can contact me by sending me an email at handtoolrescue@gmail.com, I would appreciate that, or message me on Instagram, or however you want to get in contact with me. Just let me know where you are, and I can get to sending you a wrench. Thank you, everyone, for entering. I will do the draw for the patrons and for Instagram very soon separately. And I am finally ready to start filming again and making videos. So I will be starting that directly after this video. So stay tuned. It's going to be a lot of fun this year. Later.